Dr. Sonali, after clearing NEET PG, a student asked me,
Hmm.
how should he know that he should choose MD Pharmacology as a branch of choice?
Okay, so MD Pharmacology basically opens the gateway to all subjects. So those who are interested in exploring their career and starting from scratch, starting from zero, and to have a safe career, pharmacology could be an option, because there are multiple options available in the pharmaceutical industry where they can literally start from zero and can join n number of opportunities, not only within India but also at the global level. Second, for those students who do not enjoy clinical practice much, there is an opportunity to have this as a non-clinical subject, and they can explore themselves and deep dive into the clinical research area, because clinical research, clinical development requires expertise which MD Pharmacology can actually fulfill that space. The third one is, it also while working in different sectors including clinical research, clinical development or pharmaceutical industry, it also makes that candidate ready for market, ready from the business acumen, from the business point of view, and that candidate can also in future start their own business and then can have multiple opportunities. So MD Pharmacology could be a choice or an option suitable for those who are ready to enjoy life beyond clinical practice, and also who have an opinion to impact into millions of people rather than impacting one life at a time that we routinely do in our clinical practice. So I think these are various pointers that one should consider while considering MD in clinical pharmacology as a response.